Hi, I'm Lorraine, founder of Nyrah Beauty, and today I'm going to walk you through how to apply your Nyrah store credit, along with some helpful information on how it works so you can get the most from it. If you've purchased a Nyrah trial pack, it's helpful to understand how our store credit works so you can use it correctly and confidently. Each order that includes a trial pack receives one €10 or British pound equivalent store credit. Even if multiple trial packs are purchased in the same order, the credit is issued once per order rather than per product. The credit is automatically applied to your account using the email address you've entered at checkout. Because of this, it's important to use the same email across your orders and ensure it's entered correctly, as any typos can affect where the credit is assigned. You will also receive an email confirmation, although this can sometimes go into spam as it's sent from the credit system rather than directly from us, Nyrah Beauty, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. Your store credit is held within your account and is valid for 30 days from the date of purchase. When you're ready to use it, you can log into your account on our website using that same email. Go to your profile and access the Your Points section where your credit and unique code will be available. To apply it, you simply copy that code and paste it into the discount codes and gift card box at checkout, making sure to click apply so your credit is deducted from your order. Once you've used the trial pack and understand what works best for your skin, you can use the credit towards the products that suit you, helping you build a routine that's tailored to your skin. Overall, the credit is there to support a more considered approach to skincare, making it easier to move from trial to full-size products in a way that works to support your skin. We're always happy to help with any queries, so our customer service email is store@nyrahbeauty.com. Give us a message on social media, or our phone number is 094 903 1930. Thank you so much.